Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to share your screen on Discord using the desktop app. Screen sharing is a great way to present your work, watch videos with friends, or help someone troubleshoot an issue. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Discord on your computer. Once Discord opens, join a voice channel in a server or start a direct message call with a friend. After joining the voice channel or call, look at the bottom left area of the Discord window. Click the Share Your Screen button, which appears as a monitor icon with an arrow. A new window will open showing the applications and screens available for sharing. Select the specific application window you want to share, or choose your entire screen if you want viewers to see everything on your desktop. After selecting your preferred settings, click Share Screen. Your screen will now be shared with everyone in the voice channel or call. While sharing, you can switch between applications, present slides, demonstrate software, or show any content on your screen. To manage your stream, hover over the Shared Screen preview. You can change stream settings, switch the shared window, manage stream quality, or stop sharing at any time. When you are finished, click the Stop Streaming button. Your screen share will end immediately and you will remain connected to the voice channel or call unless you choose to leave. And that is how to share your screen on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.